And I think this is one of the money blockages that stops people from accessing prosperity or financial prosperity. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Sed Freelac Samana. Isa po akong licensed real estate broker, appraiser at consultant. Isa po akong entrepreneur at isang real estate educator. Bago po ako umattend ng Millionaire Mind Intensive, isa sa mga bagay na napansin ko bilang isang real estate seller or nag-aahente sa industriya ng real estate, naramdaman ko na medyo mahirap na magbenta para sa akin ng mas matataas na presyo na property. And upon attending Millionaire Mind Intensive, I learned na meron palang ilang patterns, especially sa kultura nating mga Pilipino, wherein they say it's better to give than to receive. But one of the things that I discovered, it's important or it is equally important din na tayo ay maging magaling sa pagtanggap ng biyaya, hindi lamang yung tayo yung bigay ng bigay, kundi dapat maging gracious receiver tayo. And I think this is one of the money blockages that stops people from accessing prosperity or financial prosperity. After attending Millionaire Mind Intensive, I was able to learn yung concept ng financial thermostat. Apparently, merong hotness and coldness ang ating temperature when it comes doon sa level ng kaya nating kitain. Pangalawa doon, through Millionaire Mind Intensive, natutunan ko yung mga bagay or mga patterns natin pagdating sa pera. And especially, there are actually emotions attached pagdating doon sa experience natin about money. Sometimes we judge people who are earning a lot of money to be bad people just because they were tagged by the people around us na pagka kumikita ka ng mas marami, maaaring maging masama ka ng tao. Apparently, itong mga patterns na to, itong mga mindsets or belief system na to, ay hindi nakakatulong sa atin. That's why, through the Millionaire Mind Intensive, this is an action course, in my opinion, more than the typical lecture type na na-attenda natin mga seminar. This will be entirely different. That's why it's called intensive, kasi intense talaga. So you get to experience and you get to learn the things that are necessary para makapag-breakthrough ka doon sa mga money beliefs na nag-hold back sa'yo. And I think as an entrepreneur who engages in a lot of selling activities, it's very important to all business people, to all the sales people, or anyone na nagtatrabaho. If you want to go to your next level pagdating sa pagkita mo sa pera, it's very important that you overcome the money blocks that's holding you back from earning the financial prosperity that you deserve. And I think that is what Millionaire Mind Intensive is all about. It is all about deservability for the financial freedom that you aspire for yourself and your family.